Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card Overview. Welcome to our quick overview of the Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card, a card designed for those who want to maximize their rewards on everyday spending and travel. This card is perfect for frequent travelers and high spenders who are looking for a straightforward reward structure with substantial perks. The Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card offers 2 points for every dollar spent on travel and dining, and 1.5 points per dollar on all other purchases, making it a versatile option whether you're at home or on the go. If you're a preferred rewards member, you can increase your rewards rate by up to 75%, meaning you could earn up to 3.5 points on travel and dining and 2.62 points on everything else. This is a key advantage for those who already bank with Bank of America. One of the standout features is the $100 annual airline incidental credit, which can be used to offset baggage fees, seat upgrades, and other in-flight purchases. Additionally, there's a $100 global entry or TSA PreCheck credit, making your travel experience smoother and less stressful. The card comes with a generous sign-up bonus of 50,000 points after spending $3,000 in the first 90 days, which can be redeemed for $500 in travel or cash rewards. There's also no foreign transaction fee, which is a must for international travelers. The card is also equipped with comprehensive travel and purchase protections, including trip cancellation interruption insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, and purchase security. This means your trips and purchases are covered, adding an extra layer of peace of mind. This card is ideal for individuals who value rewards, flexibility, travel benefits, and security in their everyday spending. The $95 annual fee is easily offset by the perks, especially if you're a frequent traveler or a loyal Bank of America customer. In summary, the Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card is a strong contender for those looking to earn robust rewards while enjoying a suite of travel-related benefits. Whether you're a jet setter or someone who enjoys dining out, this card offers a compelling value proposition.